guys, I'm Sisi.
Hey Mski.
And watching Chainsawman, episode 10 of season 1.
Alright, so the last two episodes have been legendary. Does the show get better? I think it does.
Yeah.
It's gonna be quite hard, but I believe in Chainsawman. So far it's been great. And I don't expect anything less now.
Yeah.
The bar was raised high. And I want this sheet to keep going. Cheat? I said cheat. I'm expecting a slower episode though, obviously. We're gonna have to see the aftermath of all the action. What's going on with Aki. Maybe that master, Himenu's master shows up, obviously. We finally get to see this character.
What's happening with Denji as well.
Of course.
He was sliced.
Makima. The political aspect of what happened. We're gonna see. It's gonna be interesting. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Don't forget to check out our Patreon if you're interested in full length and early access to our reactions. The link is in the description.
You can also follow us on Instagram and join the Discord.
Yes. Aki, cigarettes,
Apples as well. Power is here.
Denji.
Denji. Both of them. Relinquish the apple?
There's lots more.
Aki. Once again, Aki. Dude, leave him the entire thing.
Yeah, you should have.
How's he gonna deal with this thing, bro? He's also away, he used the sword. Oh shit.
Oh. Oh my god.
Babe, I told you.
You were right. I really thought this was gonna take 1 or 2 years. Not that it's gonna leave him with 2 years.
Dude. This is so beautiful. Fuck's sake, man. The tears.
He's crying for...
Yeah, that was her, Denji. He didn't cry though. No one will. Yeah. Makima? Probably. I like those sorts of questions from him. Existential ones. Oh shit, these two? How inconsiderate.
私たち、マキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。そのリンゴ食べていいですか?
But you don't lose his damn apples, bro.
ホテル事件と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かった。 だから4課を強化し
That's the same place. Same graveyard.
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。
Oh my god.
Yes.
That's him.
Yeah, it is him.
仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも
Real.
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼ってる方。
It's gonna be a challenge.
お前たち100点だ。
あ
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。
He wants people that don't care.
Of
Remember?
course, of course.
怖い。
お前は帰れ。今すぐ来い。
Oh my god, he's so excited.
じゃああとはよろしく。
牧野さん。
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。先生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから先生と呼んでくれ。
Quite the personality, this guy.
酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
As all men do.
That's
Buddy. Try not to kill them. Where's Denji gone? Both of them?
oh my god.
I kinda approve, actually.
首の骨を俺は動けなくなる。人間様と違うのは
They can heal.
What? Yeah.
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
Oh my god.
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
なんか
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
酔ったじじいでも殺しちまったら逮捕だぜ。
デンジ。
This is gonna be a waste. What's he got in there? Oh. Wow.
Ah,
俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。俺がお前たちを最高に生かしたやつ。
I'm on board.
damn.
I'm actually on board.
Now give them some blood.
No, I'll leave them like that for a little bit. It's gone,
It's
gone.
gone. Yeah.
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。
Mm.
もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろ。
Shit.
その刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。
Does that leave him with the sword only then?
不謹慎やけど今回の事件でやめ時やと思いましたけど実際君の課の人が一人民間に行ったし
That's not his thing.
なら続けるで、それなりの家
It's
族
only got 2 years.
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
Yeah. It's such an internal struggle though.
京都先輩の言葉はほんまでしたわ。得意科にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろ。ってね。
I already knew.
女性のお客さん来てますよ。
Akima?
Yeah, I think that's her. No, doesn't look like her.
Who the hell is this, bro? Here?
Mm.
Bro, I can't with this show, man. Who was that? These two idiots.
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ乗れ。
It won't heal like that. Like, stop it. Girl. Oh my god, it helped him.
俺は今日何回殺された。
20回以上じゃ。
That would have been quite the experience.
こんな生活続いたらマジで楽しくねえぞ。楽しくなるために頑張ってきたのに、楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
Yeah.
一緒に逃げるか？
逃げたら公安から逃げたことになって、今度こそ本当に俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね？
We have no choice.
俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。どんどんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
あいつを倒す方法
It's
じゃ。
gonna be the dumbest thing ever.
俺も最近めちゃくちゃ憧れてたぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげえ。
This isn't like the two of them.
この血の匂い
Oh
を
shit.
来たな、アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊
The
す
glasses.
死だ。
You look like the smart characters.
They're not gonna do anything to him.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh my god.
smooth.
Moving like the Matrix.
待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
How much blood he has prepared. Oh no, that was
Good
them.
enough. Alright, legend. There you go, Denji. Nah. Oh shit. Kicked off his glasses.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を
This
使
is never gonna be a real fight without the chainsaw though.
う。もっと頭を使え。
Yeah, right? You should pull it out.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使い
How do you get power, by the way?
血になることと
She used too much power. Blood.
できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
Alright. It was quite quick today.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
I mean, you get the day off at least. Oh my god.
Really?
獣が狩人の言葉を信用する。
Oh my god. The lessons never end with this guy.
Damn.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは
Oh,
結構
shit.
むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ。
身を守る武器は必要やろ。
Who is he gonna make a contract with?
関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
Right, who was that lady, dude?
バディの妹の方です。
Oh,
あらら、じゃあ殴られました？
いえ、手紙をもらいました。
手紙？
From Himeno? Oh shit, here we go. Her dad? This is gonna
there's
make it
been
worse.
always something about that.
This is gonna make it worse. So he never understood it until
Yeah.
now, until the letter.
イルンは未来の悪魔。
The future.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Jesus.
Half of the lifespan of Aki is 1 year.
Right? Dude, I'm locked in for this. How'd you make a contract now? Finally we get to learn. Shit, I didn't like this side eye. Makima's eyes? Dude.
Of course, it's gonna end up like this.
Alright, dude. Kind of a tough episode, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Once again, because it was the aftermath of everything. It went kinda like what I expected, to be honest. You know, that Sensei did appear from the first special division. He's quite the character, is he not? I think.
Yeah. He's gonna be a good teacher.
Yeah, he already is actually,
Yeah.
I think. And the training is quite consistent with Power and Denji's personalities. They're still being treated as dogs. By the way, the ending, I see it now, because on Crunchyroll we're paused on the show. This is Denji along with dogs. Because he's being treated like a dog once again.
Yeah.
This is who they are. Like, he's gonna treat them as dogs. Because that's essentially what they are, actually. I mean, I don't even wanna fight for their rights or anything. I don't view Power and Denji to be human. We obviously learned that from this episode, obviously. It's like they're not grieving. I mean, Power was not. Denji was obviously asking questions.
About why he...
Yeah,
doesn't know.
existential questions like that.
Yeah.
Am I gonna feel sad? Do I care that much? I think he's human, but even as a human, he wouldn't really care that much, obviously. Because for him, his life has been so different. He's never had the opportunity to grieve for somebody because he's never had anybody.
Yeah, but it also has to do with the devil's heart. Pochita's heart.
I don't think so. In my opinion, he just doesn't care because the life
Of course.
he lives now is so much better than the one he had before, and he was always just accepting of dying before, I think. Like,
Yeah,
he was
and
always
he-
prepared to die, I think,
He
before.
wasn't really attached to anyone.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's really in line with his character to not care that much, but to also ask these questions, obviously. Like, those are pretty important questions. Anybody will have them. And for me, it does make sense the way he responds to a person like Himeno dying, for example, you know? He had something going on with her. Obviously, she was his first kiss, but to him, it doesn't register that much, obviously. But that's because his life is good now, you know? The kind of life he had before. That isn't something so scary for him to want to put him in a mood where he's grieving about somebody dying, obviously. Because that happiness of having this life is still obviously really strong, I think.
Yeah.
That's the way I read that, personally, for me. Maybe somebody else views it another way, I'm not sure. Power is pretty consistent, she's Power. She's
just
got like 2 IQ and that's it.
cares about food only.
Yeah. I like the whole dynamic with the sensei as well. I think he's quite cool. I think he's quite good. I think he's the type of person that is most suited to training them, obviously.
Yeah.
Pretty consistent.
I like the fact that he wants people just like them, who doesn't care about losing someone and things that is gonna make good
Got a
hunters.
few loose screws, actually.
Yeah, but he himself is not a person like this. Because he's on that graveyard. He's
Yeah.
always there.
Yeah. I don't know, at the same time, I think he found a way not to care. I think he did before.
I think he still cares. I think he cares about Himeno dying.
I think he does, obviously, yeah. I just think he's found a way not to attach himself like that, to not allow his emotions to get the better of him in a way.
Yeah.
'Cause obviously you see he's on it the moment they appear. Obviously he's happy that the way they are and that they're here to be trained, obviously. He's excited. It's not like he's grieving still.
Of course.
So I feel like he had moments just like Aki, obviously, but he learned from them. He grew
Yeah.
as a person, obviously. And that's how he survived. That's why
Yeah.
he's in Special Division 1.
And he cares.
Because in order to survive, you need to be like that. You need
Yeah.
to get over those feelings.
Yeah.
You need to learn how to control
Yeah.
these things.
He cares, but he controls his emotions.
Yeah, to have them loose screws. Yeah, I think he's like that, personally. Speaking of Aki, by the way, Jesus, bro. 2 years left to live? And if he makes a contract with that devil that he's now the future devil,
He has to sacrifice something.
well, one of the people that made a contract with this devil offered half their lifespan, and the other one offered every sense a human has got. So for him, it's probably gonna be...
Emotions.
No, I think he's gonna offer half his life as well, I think.
Yeah, but I don't think the devil will take that. Because
It's a year, right?
yeah.
It's not a good, yeah.
Why would the devil take that?
Yeah, it's not a good deal for the devil then. It's gonna be something else. Maybe you're right. Maybe it is emotions, yeah. Maybe Aki's gonna become a heartless person. It does make a whole lot of sense for that to happen, actually.
Because he has 2 years to complete his goal. But if he
No.
if he sacrifices emotions, he wouldn't have his driving force to kill the gun devil. Because
No, babe, I think it makes perfect sense for him to sacrifice emotions. It will make sense for him to not sacrifice them as well, actually. Because it's gonna be a thing where he doesn't want to change anymore. He's gonna want to stay the same, but at the same time, maybe he's been pushed to his limits now. Like, a person can only take so much. Maybe he wants to let go of these emotions finally.
Yeah.
Because, like, he's tired. You can tell, like, he's just...
yeah, but losing them will make him lose the core of the reason to why he wants to kill the gun devil.
I think it can go both ways. It would make sense either ways, I think. It's quite an internal struggle, to be honest. Do you decide, I'm gonna live for myself from now on, obviously? And it doesn't even matter because I've only got 2 more years. And I'm gonna try and do everything to get revenge for the people that died by sacrificing my humanity to get to the gun devil? Or do you decide to keep going as you are to remember the people that died for you as well? You know, it's quite a struggle, is it not?
Yeah.
Because like he read that letter from Himeno and he finally clocked that she loved him. So do you just want to forget about this? But at the same time, you forget about it to honor, not to honor, but to avenge her.
Yeah, but we will be able to avenge her if you forget about it.
So you think the right thing to do in that case is to keep your emotions?
Of course.
Keep your humanity. Okay. I see it both ways personally for me. You know, I see if he was to choose the other thing as well, I see it as something understandable. Maybe we're a little bit different on that one, I think. I'm excited to see how a contract is made though, and the kinds of bargaining that's gonna happen in the next episode. I think it's gonna be quite fascinating. The thing is that
it's the future devil.
It's a future devil, yeah. I'm not overly excited. I think it's gonna end up being not good for Aki, just because the devil is gonna have all the power in the world in the negotiations, because like he's got the devil is gonna have the upper hand. And like, what has Aki got to offer that? Like, I don't know. They mentioned 2 people from the public safety that have got contracts with this devil. One offered half their lifespan, so we can't really make assumptions who that might be. I was thinking when that person was saying this, I was starting to think about Makima, because like a future devil, maybe a future devil can kill people the way Makima killed them, but probably not Makima, obviously. It's gonna be somebody else. And then we had a person that had no senses.
No eyesight as well, I think.
No senses, like no eyesight, no smell, no...
How do you even move like that? Like,
it's quite... I don't know. I don't think we have seen either of those. But at the same time, something might be... I might be forgetting something, but I don't think so. Also, those 2 that will accompany Taki from Kyoto, those 2 are quite intriguing, I think. I think the guy is a little bit more unhinged, I would say. I think the girl is more grounded. I think this guy has got a little bit more loose screws than her, I would say. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about them yet. They're quite fishy to me.
yeah.
Like there's something going on there.
With the same scars?
Yeah, as well. I don't know. They're gonna be quite interesting as well. Just as all round, such an interesting show, dude. I can't believe it's only 12 episodes and we've only got 2 more. It's just horrible.
Yeah.
Like, this is disgusting. But yeah, that's the reality. Anyways, we're gonna have to live with that and accept it, and yeah, we'll wait until they release the movie in streams. Thank you for watching this reaction. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and tuning into the next video. I'll see you there.
See ya.